How to turn off two-factor authentication on Instagram. Hello everybody, welcome back. If you are wondering how, you may follow up this method. So go ahead and open up your Instagram application first, and then you may go over to your profile in the bottom and your profile page appears. Now from here, head over the menu at the top and then open up settings and activity. After opening up settings and activity, you may head over to the option called Account Center, and from Account Center you need to go over to the option called Password and Security. Tap on it, and from here you should be finding an option called Two-Factor Authentication. Go ahead and tap on it. After tapping on it, select up your Instagram account, and from there what you need to do is, if you already have turned on the two-factor authentication, you should be finding option to turn it off. So go ahead and follow the on-screen instructions to turn it off, and you should be able to turn off that. So that is it. You may follow up this method in order to turn off two-factor authentication. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.